If the Son therefore shall make you free, ye shall be free indeed. John 8:36. The everlasting now is my freedom in God. I am bound neither by false tradition nor human heritage. I have come from the one source, God. I accept this gift, my own free will, and make the most of it. I refuse to be resigned to any limitation of life. I refuse to be tied to man-made ideas of God. I open my mind to its own goodness and my heart to its own steadfastness. I am only of God, perfect substance, perfect form, and perfect life. I am guided correctly. I am lovingly inspired by love itself. If my will to be well or happy has been limited by timidity or laziness, I now resolve to get out of all emotional ruts. Today, I achieve God's idea of me. Joy and well-being can be the only outcome, for God's work cannot be burdensome. Nothing can stand in the way of my liberty. I now realize that I am spiritually entitled to success, affluence, and a happy disposition. I am free in my life, my work, my world, and my body. I am free to experience God's love for me and to grow in God's consciousness. God within me, as me, is all-powerful, all good, and all there is.